Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer call recordings metadata to Salesforce step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher and search for calls or the relevant app where call recordings are managed. Once you've located the app, access the call recordings section. Identify the specific call recording you wish to transfer metadata for. Click on the recording to open its details. Review the metadata associated with the recording, such as date, time, duration, and participant information. Open a new browser tab and log into your metadata management tool. Extract the relevant metadata from the call recording. Ensure that all necessary fields match the ones required in Salesforce. Switch back to your Salesforce tab. Locate the option to create a new record in the appropriate object, such as call log or activity. Input the extracted metadata into the corresponding fields. Double-check that all information is accurate and complete. Once confirmed, save the new record in Salesforce. If your organization uses automation tools, consider setting up a workflow rule to automatically associate future recordings. Review the newly created record to ensure it appears correctly in Salesforce. Conduct a final check by linking it to the appropriate contact or opportunity, if necessary. Your call recording metadata is now successfully transferred to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.